Hey everybody. Oh, sorry. Hey everybody. Good morning. It's Peach over at Crooked Peach, and Farmer Chad and I are out here this morning. We have to harvest these Adirondack blue potatoes, and they're currently under attack with the Colorado potato beetles. So I'm cutting the vines off and tossing them over into the chicken run, trying to take care not to leave any of these stinking beetles on the ground. I pick up a bunch of them if I see any. So your chickens will eat them, supposedly. So mine don't seem very excited right now, but it's morning and they just had their breakfast. So, yeah, probably this side first because I'm going to be finishing getting all the vines off this side to begin with. Uh, I'm just going to pull this because it doesn't have any beetles on it. Oh my God. What, babe? Mm-hmm. Yeah. They're everywhere. When I shouldn't have folded up like that because they're not over here. Did it? But the whole bed's got to get cleaned up. I had them planted in the middle. I had them everywhere. It wasn't like a pattern. Well, I mean, it was kind of a pattern. Kind of, you know. Wow. Maybe I should just call. I don't know. I'm a little confused. Hey, Bubba. Look, start on me. Coming. I didn't hear you. No, I feel like I'm losing control. Say what? Babe, I can hear you. I know. I know. I told you I lost control of it. When the big garden started doing all this good stuff, I was like, Lord, I don't got no time in the day. I'll get you the next. There's a lot of tea. Woo, Lordy. Woo, Lordy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look, there's some safety here too. Oh, heaven, heaven. yeah, I'm gonna definitely. Baby, look at all this. Woo. It's hard to find all the potatoes. Oh goodness. We could just let the chickens come in here. Yeah, we'll just let them come in here. Clean it up. Wow, look at that. Look at this. Look at these. A bunch of them fell off already, and there's a bunch still in the ground, but look at these. Holy cow, babe. It's already so sweaty out here. Look at Oh my gosh, I'm so sweaty too. I feel like we're not doing a good job of doing this. I don't even know where to start. I've jumped all down all over the place as I typically do. All right, I'm gonna go to that side. This side's not.
What's up, bro?
Hey, there's not enough even close enough to being turned up down here. No, there's no way. No, why? Okay, why? Oh my God! All all kinds of shit. Oh God, that's a gigantic rug. That's not that rug. Well, it's so sweaty. by the way. Sure.
Find little clouds, put on the section, just write it down.
Yeah, 14 people down. Sorry.
So,
What about that? Why are you such a psycho? Oh, yeah. Okay. Hold up. I know you're not very hot. Yeah, baby. Woo. I'm torn by what I said, but I'm so scared to take the sweatshirt off. Holy cow. Babe, you know me. What should I do? Sweat or get bugged up, bitten to death? Come on. This is not that helpful. Holy cow. It's sweaty. It's very humid. All right, but my face is humid anyway. Oh, just making it hard. No, we got some. Just I gotta clean this hat. So bad. I'm missing a lot. What that? Oh, no, you had a potato? Like, I can't even cook it today. I haven't even- Right.
Huh? Yeah.
Oh, Lordy, be better. I'm so gross. Oh, God, hit chicken, baby. Plants. That's happening. That's nice. Hmm? Oh, I didn't mean to. I didn't notice. This hair is kind of in my eyeball. Oh, yeah. Let me cover this up. It loves to bite me there. Whoa. Oh, I'm just going to get on my dang immediately in the washer, whatever. Off me. What, babe? Them dang grubs are ridiculous, right? That's all right. Just go enjoy the heck out of them. The seed one, it starts to rot. Pretty gross, though.
What about these little teeny ones?
I mean, keep what we can. The other ones are going to probably come up next year, like the other ones in the other side did. In other places.
What look like these the little teeny ones in the ground?
They won't stay in that basket. You can try it. They're going to fall out.
No, I'm saying.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Why not? Why not? What else we going to do? I think I missed. I missed. I did. Mm-hmm. It's sneaky. Sometimes they'll- Well, I'm good with getting them grubs over there. There you go, baby. Yeah, yeah. Oh, look at that. Mhm. Oh, yeah, there's some down in there. Yeah. I don't care about that. Hmm? Uh-oh. I see. A little closer. Oh, get off. Here, you're gonna have to run the, no, not you, the basket. You have to run the cultivator, I think, over the, and I think it's the bees that I have, by the bees that I've been sitting over top before you do it, work that in. No, the little one is gonna come. That's a pain? Using the little one something? Oh, well, you can do the cultivating and then we'll, but it has to be done today then, because you don't want the stuff, the nutrients getting baked out of the soil and stuff, right? I'm on, what am I on, dude? Maybe I'll throw it inside of the, oh,
Those are potatoes.
yeah, probably potatoes. Or one that was attached to another vine that had already dug up already. I don't know, I seen little things in my purpose station.
A what?
Oh, sorry, talking to me. You know how it is. Whew. I've been having. Well, then.
Talking to the dog.
Ah. Oh, for the kudos. My butt. No.
good.
Oh, so good.
You know, I could have brought the cultivator in here and changed the blades,
Now you tell me.
and we could have just turned it up
Ah,
and got the potatoes.
baby. All right. Well, this time I can.
Well, next time we know. Every year's a learning year.
How are you doing? Yes, how many bees are
What's up, Bubbies?
you okay?
Huh?
Are you okay?
Mm-hmm. What's up, Bubba? You want some water?
Holy crap. Huh? I could have set this up in a better way, I guess, huh? Oh, he's done. Hey? Oh, you can.
Hmm?
I said, yeah, we could have set this up in a better way. Maybe. Sorry?
I'm gonna try this hay for it.
Oh, that's a good idea, I guess. I mean, the ground's pretty soft. It should be able to handle it. Oh my God, I'm such a whiner. Give me name.
Hmm?
You made I shouldn't have started without you this morning because that did not help with the whole knowing what the heck anything was.
Yeah.
I just saw those bugs and I was like, ugh.
Need to work on the cultivator so we could do it run it.
What do you mean work on?
I mean, figure out how to do it so we could just run the cultivator to
Oh,
turn it up.
oh.
I think I just had to move the two middle ones.
I don't know. I don't trust that machinery stuff. It always messes up so many of the potatoes. It scares me. But, you know, I got zero experience on it.
But this means we have breakfast.
What?
It means we have breakfast.
How big of a breakfast are we going to have?
I mean, I'm saying if we mess up some potatoes. Figure son go back to sleep.
Say who what?
What's Matt doing?
I didn't even know what.
So what is Matt doing?
Uh, probably looking at people. that. I don't know, and I'm not trying to think about it right now either. So like, where's the potato that you impaled? Where'd it go?
Put it in the cart.
Oh, you did. Okay, I'm like trying to find all the things, and I'm having a hard time because my hair is absolutely blocking so much. What I'm supposed to be seeing, but it acts like a horse's tail. Keeps the bugs off me. Uh-oh, you nicked another one, baby. Uh-oh.
What happened?
No, that's right.
Pull up more weed. Trying to do both at the same time.
Yes, you're trying to pull the weed somewhere else. Put the weed somewhere else, but you know what? Freaking hot. And the important thing right there, is that we get the actual food up out of here. So I'm gonna give myself a little bit of a break. I'm trying to make my freaking hyperfocus spring stop. You know it recorded still, right? What was that? Huh?
Snake.
Where's the snake at?
Right here.
Oh,
Yeah, they pressed that to me because I put my hand in there.
I can't see squat there. Where's that?
You went back in?
Oh, what color was he? Black? Brown. Mm-hmm.
In the dirt somewhere.
Okay. Yeah, they do.
But it scared me.
Yeah,
I wasn't expecting it.
it's scared me too. 'Cause, yeah, who's expecting it? The bugs? Yeah, I see them. These are overalls on the walkway. I see this. Mhm. There's more though. But I can't be skipping spots. Let me stop myself. Yeah. Woo. What you doing? Are you doing this toys, babe? That's so good. What's wrong, babe? Hmm? uh, it'd be alright. I also I just found out, and I can't think of the word, but babe, so apparently sunflowers release a chemical that retards the growth of the plants within 5 feet of them. I mean, we didn't put them in here; they volunteered themselves. But yeah, they might have had an effect. Remember that one we pulled up and they had not squat on it that day? Yeah, it was close to one of where these sunflowers came up at. I didn't know that.
Now we know.
Now we know.
Now I wonder why the watermelons and cucumbers and stuff didn't grow.
Exactly. Yes. I
Remember?
think it might have something to do with it too. I mean, we did get melons off of it eventually, but
Yeah.
they were tiny.
Yeah, they were tiny.
You gotta lose the sunflower because there's too many potatoes up under it. And I love a sunflower and all, but
Well, I already knocked one down because I had to get under.
Yeah, you know.
So, well, then I want this one up. I don't want to mess up this. I don't want this radish.
Right, baby, that's not horseradish.
Yeah.
Oh, leave them in the ground.
No, I am, but I don't want the sunflower to stunt their growth.
Oh yeah, no.
You want to replant it somewhere?
No, I got
No.
more seeds.
You know what?
This one won't even go up, baby. Tell me what. Oh, that one I would replant. This one came right out. But
Give me that one. I'm gonna go put them back there.
Back
With
where
the
they
birds.
with what?
The birds.
They're gonna kill them.
Oh, they will.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Well,
we can put it in a pot. I'm not doing that.
where's the new tennis ball I got you? I got you a whole pack.
Lord, it's somewhere. I've seen it. I've actually thrown it for him, but I
I know. I
don't know.
left the pack in the shed just for him.
You know what he does? He runs around like a crazy dog, and he just drops things as he goes, and he forgets nothing. Here. Get it! Get that ball, baby! Or don't get it. I don't know. Hmm? It's just river crap. I don't know what it's called like that.
That pigweed stuff.
Oh, that's the pigweed?
Yeah, that's the stuff when we first moved here. We're
Gosh,
like, look at the potatoes growing in the.
That crap is
in the-
annoying.
I can't believe we used to think it was potatoes.
I mean, it could be worse, though.
Yeah.
It's not the worst weed by far.
No, it's not, because it comes up pretty good.
It does.
If you let it grow and it gets real big.
It don't bite you too much. Okay, here's one.
Here, you want me to do that area up?
Hold on, let me get a feel for it first, baby. Did you actually sift through any of the stuff that you just did that to?
No.
You had to just work it and walk away,
I
Chad.
didn't walk away. I was standing right
I'm
here.
fucking with you, babe. Okay. Fine. Mm. I don't know. I think I did, but I could be wrong. You know, I'm a girl. Oh my! Wow! Look at that pretty baby right there.
You don't.
Yep. 3, 2. Oh my God. Okay, I'm so spent, babe. Have you got them? You know what I do like about the fact that sunflowers are in here, though? They do clean the soil. Yeah, that's true. I still don't know what I'm supposed to plant in here. We could put some alfalfa here, though. That wouldn't hurt anything. We could turn that. It would help the soil so much. So you want to do that? Well, the sunflowers can probably coexist with the what's it called? The alfalfa. Oh, what is it? Okay, hold on. Ow! Don't do that. Hold on. Let me see. All right, guys. So here's the sitch. I know we went long, but you know it's digging potatoes. So this is what we have right now, and we're gonna let these dry and cure for a few days before we try to store them. But I'm gonna be using some of them pretty quick. And I think we just decided, babe, we just decided I'm gonna do alfalfa, right? So, oh my gosh, I'm a whole mess. What we're gonna do is, well, we're gonna replant these sunflower. Well, if that lives, because like the, you wanna stick it in the hole in the dirt, babe. We're gonna try to replant those, and we're gonna put alfalfa grass seed down to help keep the soil, healthy. All right, guys, have a good day. Happy Father's Day to everyone, all the men, all the daddies out there, the biological, the spiritual, and those of you who have chosen to do so. Thank you so much for what you do. Have a beautiful day. Bye. Babe, these bugs are trying to kill me. Oh, look at here. Look at that big gator. Did you get the one that I said no about? What did I even do with it? The first one I pulled out, there was 3. What did I do with it? I probably tossed it over the fence. Sir, yes it is.